Yogi Clan, what's up, y'all? Welcome back. I want to give you a Orphan Run update. Y'all showed up and showed out, and I appreciate it so very much. So before we dig into that, and I give you some awesome specifics about what happened, let's talk about Yogi Cycle Service for a second. I am Yogi. This is my channel. I am sorry I'm bringing this to you in the truck, but you gotta understand that from this weekend, I'm pretty darn tired. Still, getting old. Kind of sucks. But anyways, here at Yogi Cycle Service, we do everything motorcycle related. Service, repair, product reviews, tips, tricks, the whole 9 yards. And if it's not motorcycle related, then it's probably Yogi related. So, Orphan Run 2020. It was delayed from April to September 5th, Labor Day weekend, this past weekend. And mind you, even though the Orphan Run itself only really goes from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. on Thursday, see how tired I am? 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. on Saturday, for our motorcycle club, it's an all weekend long event that really goes from Friday morning to Sunday afternoon. So it's an all weekend thing. And the ride itself, the police, the Cabarrus County Sheriff's Department did an excellent job guiding our ride. It's about a 64-mile ride. All bikes left, made it back safely. We had a bike blessing beforehand. 5 different teams of people were out blessing bikes. It was awesome. Total riders, we had about 65 bikes on the ride, if we counted correctly from video. But we had a whole lot more people than that show up and donate to the cause. So thank you to everybody who showed up and donated to the cause. I greatly appreciate it. And we had some really good-sized donations that came in. And thank you, those of you, you know who you are. Sponsors. We had our biggest year of sponsorship ever. I have multiple plans for next year for advertising through Facebook. I tested some Facebook advertising this year and it worked. We got more people because of it, and just by asking questions we figured that out to people who are registering. Good Charlotte Motorcycle Club participation. Lots of clubs came out. Lots of general public came out. Total raised. This is the big one. So last year we raised $4,000. My goal has always been $5,000. We crushed it this year. $6,730 raised for Sacred Selections. Heck yeah. Right now, all the cash is being deposited into the bank. I got a couple checks I need to deposit. I'll probably do that tomorrow. So that hopefully by the end of this week, we can have all the money collected together in one master account, and I can go make that electronic transfer via PayPal over to Sacred Selections, because they accept donations via PayPal. So I figure that's the easiest way to move the money. So that will happen hopefully by the end of this week to the beginning of next week, somewhere in that time frame. But man, you have no idea how overdue. $6,730. That is a huge chunk to be able to give to a family like ours for the costs of adoption. That's pretty awesome. So, my original thought, we always typically do the Orphan Run April 3rd April first week. Let me back up. Typically, we do the Orphan Run the first weekend of April every year. But the first weekend of April in 2021 is Easter. So we're going to skip it to the second weekend. So we're going to shoot for April 10th, 2021. That will be the date that we're going to plan this next Orphan Run. So I'm going to actually have a flyer made hopefully by next week. And then my plan is 6 months out, I'm going to do a Facebook media blitz. It's going to be done from my Yogi Cycle Service page. So if you haven't liked Yogi Cycle Service on Facebook or Instagram, hit it up, because I'm going to be blowing both up. When it's 6 months out, I'm going to do another advertising campaign 3 months out, 1 month out, and then the week of. So we're going to spend some of this sponsor money on social media and trying to get more advertising, because I figure with more advertising, I might get more general Q public out there. And that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking to make this run. I want to make this run one of the biggest runs in Charlotte. Now, I know that there are some very big runs that happen in Charlotte with, 1,500 bikers, 2,000 bikers that come out. But you have no idea how much I would like to see the Orphan Run do that. So I am going to be pressing year after year after year. This is our 7th year, and our biggest year so far. And I want to keep pushing that envelope every year, because I want to be able to raise $40,000-$50,000 for Sacred Selections. That way, that helps multiple families with their costs of adoption. Gets those kids into Christian homes. That's my goal. So that is, the adoption community, the adoption world, the plight of the orphan is our family's mission field. So as a Christian, I got to back up what I say. So I do that through the Orphan Run, and I'm going to continue to push the Orphan Run year after year. So if you don't like hearing the Orphan Run, don't subscribe to this channel. But if you like supporting causes and donating funds and it going to a really awesome place, subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to keep pushing this Orphan Run year after year. That falls under the Everything Yogi categories. And speaking of which, for the next probably month, the month of September, I am not going to be taking any more bikes in. I'm going to perform what I have committed to do. I'm going to try to slow down on Yogi's cycle service, on fixing other people's bikes, because Yogi needs to spend some time with his family. I have spent all summer just working so hard in my garage fixing people's bikes that I really need to do some projects around home. So again, the Anything Yogi on this YouTube channel, you may be coming along with me to see how I finish my deck, or maybe paint my bathroom, paint my son's bathroom, or what else do I have to do? Paint the deck. Oh, I got a whole bunch of wood I need to split. So it's time for Yogi to do some stuff around the house and home. So I'm not changing this channel, but for a month, the video content may be a little bit different than motorcycles. Just saying. But stay tuned. Please put on your calendars April 10th, 2021. Speedway Harley-Davidson, Concord, North Carolina. I do need to confirm the date with them, but I think we're far enough out that probably shouldn't be a problem. But put that on your calendars. All right, Yogi Clan, thanks for joining. Thanks to everybody, our sponsors, our participants, Hazen cooking all the awesome pork that we had to eat with Allward Masonry, Speedway Harley-Davidson, Ben Avenue Free Will Baptist Church, and all of our sponsors. Thank you. Bliss Plumbing, RYS Ministries, Alert, the guys from WMW, the employees there, a company out of Greenville area, and all of our supporters. Thank you. All right, Yogi Clan, have an awesome day. Thank you again for an awesome event, and I will catch you on the next video. Deuces.